how to write and draw on images in Google Docs. Hi guys, today we're going to talk about this platform called Google Docs. And as you can see over here, I have a message on top of a image. I could also insert a drawing by clicking here. And for example, we're going to have a simple shape. For example, circle over here just like that, and then we're going to save and close. And as you can see, I could draw over and have messages on top of my image. And to do this, you're simply going to go on insert over here on the top, and then you're going to click on watermark. Watermark will be placed behind every components of your document, and that through that you would be able to add images, and through that you would be able to add shapes and messages on top of your image. And that's it guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.